Hello, my dear colleague. I am glad to welcome you to my new course, Elegant Jacket with Built-in Corset. No doubt, jackets are the most essential items of clothing in the interseason. If you are into sewing, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Fashion nowadays is so multifaceted that it offers us jackets of different styles and textures. Jackets came into the women's wardrobe from the men's suit ensemble, and a woman in a man's suit looks incredibly sexy. The combination of men's jackets and feminine things reveals a daring seductiveness in a woman. First of all, before we start working on any garment, you need to decide on the fashion design. You could already see the finished result in the start of this tutorial, i.e. the end result. But I started with a sketch. The idea was to sew the most universal garment, as they say, casual wear. I wanted this garment to be suitable for various celebrations, for women of any age and any size. In addition, I didn't want to choose the most difficult sewing technique, but at the same time, a very relevant one. You can choose how to decorate your jacket to your liking. You can cover the corset with lace or rhinestones, or make a simple embroidery on it. As for my garment, I chose to cover the corset with delicate lace fabric in the same tone as the jacket. It is better to choose soft fabrics for this garment, not too heavy. Moreover, the fabric can be one color or patterned, matte or with a shiny thread. And I also wanted that no matter what fabric you have chosen, this jacket could be put on anywhere. Just to sit somewhere in a cafe in a cool summer evening, or, for example, to wear it for some important celebration. In this tutorial, I will show you how to perform the original, delicate elements of the jacket's decor. And you can use this technique to decorate any elements of clothing: jackets, blouses, tops, skirts, and even trousers. I would also like to note that I chose this style of the jacket exclusively for an example. Personally, I thought it was elegant and simple to perform, and you can choose your favorite jacket style. I will teach you how to adapt a pattern for embedding a corset into a jacket. And here are some more useful pieces of advice. If you have a high waistline, an elongated jacket with a low waistline will look the best in this case. If you are plump by nature and have a big bust, the stylists advise such ladies to wear tight jackets with a rather deep neckline, but not burdened with additional details, not to create a massive image. If your bust, on the contrary, is small, light jackets with large elements or patterns in the bust area will suit you to give the visual volume where it lacks. It is not necessary to choose only one color for the model chosen by me in this tutorial. Depending on the purpose of this garment, you can choose different color combinations. But if you want to wear this jacket several times for different events, it is better to choose one basic color and to make up your outfit by selecting different skirts, trousers, and accessories. In this case, the color solution can be classic. For example, a combination of red, white, green, or blue colors, which always looks perfect. The plenty of variants to combine with a red jacket is so great that it is easier to enumerate what you must not do. Do not overdo it with red. Red beads, earrings, lipsticks, and handbags are prohibited. It will be enough to combine a red jacket and shoes, but no more. Such a jacket with a built-in corset can be worn with a classic pencil skirt, with a flowing, long evening skirt, narrow trousers, short bell-shaped skirt, and even with jeans. It all depends on the period of the year, the event, and your mood. For example, a jacket with a floral design can be worn not only in the summer, but also in cold seasons. The main thing while composing an ensemble we should not forget that in this case a colorful jacket should be the main accent in your image, and all the other details have to be selected in monocolor. In this tutorial, I have made the inner corset transparent with a ready-made foam cup, but you can use any corset sewing technique. In the tutorial, I show the general principle of joining a jacket and a corset into one garment. I also tell you how to make only a front of a corset with lacing, or both front and back, how to sew the back of the jacket in this case, and how to get out of the situation when you need to lace up the garment at the back. So, drawing different variants, I had various images and ideas with what and how to wear a jacket with a corset inside. It seems to be just one style, but have a look at how many variants there are to combine this garment. Undoubtedly, looking at these sketches, you have your own ideas. Therefore, let us not postpone, but start working. So let's start the tutorial, Elegant Jacket with Built-in Corset.